Before we document the skills, first thing to do is to check the behavior of the roosters. If he passed the first category, that's it. You can select them for a good result of breeding. This is one. Second is the physical characteristic and the health. Health is one of the foundation. And the third is the skill. Alright, if you have the three combination, first the behavior, second is the health and characteristic, and third is the characteristic. Alright, you can produce a good family foundation of breeding. This is Kelso, machine Kelso from Cardinal Lines. And again, I wanna show you the rest of my backyard rooster here. This is from the Hatch family, Asil and combination of blue face hats. This is a medium station, good stance. And the first is my gull sweater. Look at the stance here. This is backyard, but we have to choose carefully the good stance selections in the category that I have said earlier. Alright, and the other found here, this is Boston Roundhead 3/4. This is heavy on Boston Roundhead. This is my backyard. Look. Most of my Boston Roundhead are man-fighter, so I have to carefully select the good one. Okay. These are two, and the other one is man-fighter. There. I'm not choosing to select to multiply. This is my white Kelso. These are also good. This is 5 months, 4 months going to 5 months. These are all good roosters, good behavior. Carrying rooster is the same to raising child, actually. This good one, this is a straight comb. This is white Kelso with a combination of white butcher blood. Very healthy. And their behavior is carefully treated like with heart, like real fit. Actually, I have here the golden boy and with a combine of sweater. So this is golden boy sweater. Again, here I have here the mother side of machine Kelso, and the father side is gull. All of my roosters is not for sale, and the purpose of this video is for viewing only. Okay, this is my young stag. I have some file here. The bloodline is Kelso with a combination of white Kelso, and I have a pumpkin Kelso, so I have to blend it, and the result is white pumpkin here. That is my golden boy. I collect this bloodline to preserve my own passion of breeding. This is my black lines, Melsim Black and I forgot the combination. I have recorded it into my notes. This is my gal. I have some little chicks here. This is very good, very behaved. Golden boy. I love this rooster because very generous, right to see. I keep breeding for the future breeding of game fowl. This is young stag, father side Machine Kelso. This is 4 months going to 5 months. The father side is almost pure Machine Kelso from Cardinal blood, and this is a cousin. The mother side is Machine Kelso and the father is Gal. I have some rooster here, but my video is not enough to complete the coverage of presentation. So this is my Boston Roundhead. Very have some ducks here. This is my butcher white Kelso also. Oh OMG. All right. And there's some Machine Kelso gal. This is my foundation gal. I have told you this is Boston Roundhead, but little some bad behavior. This is bad behavior, Malfighter. So I'm not going to breed this one because the behavior is transferred or to their upstream. This is my gal, and also this is a good one. This 1-year-old successfully passed the examination last year. Right, this is my almost pure 3/4 blood of Machine Kelso from Cardinal. Is some pumpkin color, white leg. This is my white sweater. The both family, the both parents are sweater, and this is throwback. White. Okay. Very good behavior. Good chicken. As you see, I love this one. And this is a combination of 2 bloodline. The father is Melsim Black and the mother is white Kelso. So this is a good rooster also. Have passed to examination and nothing hurts. Okay guys, I have some pure rooster here. The pumpkins. Thank you for watching guys. God bless.